Maruti's new midsize car shocks everyone. Is it game over for Creta? 0 to 030 Introduction. The Indian car market is in for a massive shakeup. Maruti Suzuki, the king of budget-friendly cars, has just dropped a bombshell, a brand new midsize car that's ready to take on giants like the Hyundai Creta and Honda City. But the real question is, can it really challenge these established players? Let's dive deep into the details. Asterisk. 0:30 to 2 o'clock, the big reveal. What's the new car? Maruti has been teasing this car for months, and finally, the wraps are off. The new model, rumored to be named asterisk, Maruti Futuro, asterisk or asterisk, Grand Vitara Compact, asterisk, is packed with features that even luxury cars boast. We're talking a sleek new design, a premium interior, and even hybrid tech. But the biggest shocker, Maruti is targeting aggressive pricing, under 12 lakh rupees for the top variant. Asterisk. 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock, how does it compare to Creta and City? Now, let's talk competition. The Hyundai Creta has been the undisputed king of midsize SUVs, while the Honda City dominates the sedan segment. But Maruti's new car is playing smart, it's offering SUV-like styling with sedan-like comfort. Features: a massive touchscreen, panoramic sunroof, ADAS, and even a powerful 1.5L petrol hybrid engine. If Maruti gets the pricing right, Creta and City might have a real problem. Asterisk. 4 o'clock to 5:30, why this could be a game changer. Maruti has two big advantages: trust and service network. With over 3,000 service centers across India, no one beats Maruti in after-sales support. Plus, their cars are known for fuel efficiency. If this new model delivers 20 plus kmpl, imagine the savings for buyers. And let's not forget, Maruti's resale value is legendary. Asterisk. 5:30 to 7 o'clock, potential downsides. But it's not all sunshine. Critics say Maruti still lags in premium feel compared to Hyundai or Kia. Also, will it have the ruggedness of a Creta or the refinement of a City? And what about safety? Maruti's past record with crash tests hasn't been stellar. If they compromise here, buyers might think twice. Asterisk. 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, final verdict, should you wait? So, what's the final take? If you're planning to buy a Creta or City, hold your horses. Maruti's new car could be a killer deal with its combo of features, price, and brand trust. But if you want a proven product, maybe wait for reviews. One thing's certain, the midsize car war just got hotter. What do you think? Will you switch to Maruti? Comment below. Asterisk. Musical notes. Outro music fades out. Would you like any modifications or additions? Smile.